Full details on Ofori Atta's case. This is coming from a Deputy Attorney General. And you know, as a Deputy Attorney General, you have to know, say, this is coming from the office of the Attorney General. Recently, say Ofori Atta United States of America. Now, me mamuti say sachina ya chineno enye about the extradition to Ghana that be yet because of the visa issues. Later on, Ofori Atta lawyers are Ghana Kromha release krata na omuchire say yes, I support Ofori Atta na the visa issues be and the immigration issues be and amaya chino. Now later on, news by Anna yes say Ofori Atta visa ebe expire 14th February 2026, which is next month 14th. Now questions are not Ghana ni bia bisa na say say Ofori Atta visa be expire 14th February eye den na ice for ebe chi Ofori Atta before 14th. And when the questions are every single Ghanaian or concerned about this matter bisa. Now this is coming from Mr. Serim Saya or Deputy Attorney General. I say Ofori Atta's US visa did not expire. It was revoked in June 2025. Serim Saya. And see, according to him, no, or say Ofori Atta visa no are expired. Ye revoke in what? In June 2025. In the meaning, Ofori Atta ti America na ye hwehwe ni nyina no na Ofori Atta ya revoke the visa no not what illegally. Ya na ya revoke minim hase na minim say Ghana ban na a influence ama ya revoke the visa no. Say how did that happen na eno na minim. But I am sure say the Attorney General office and I say the government of Ghana benim who be. Yes, because omuna aba power and omuna ehia Ofori Atta. So bibi omo betima ye bia to make sure say Ofori Atta aba fie no they will do. But what the question mark ye nim kwan ya fa so revoke ye. But according to Deputy Attorney General or say the reason nti aye chi Ofori Atta no it is true visa issues. Na the visa no pan expire omo revoke visa no June 2025 until June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January Ofori Atta ti America nyina na ya revoke ni visa na visa nya adwuma oti America illegally enunti ena ice for akwakochine because senya immigration issues ni visa issues are ice for nyede entimi nyambe chiusa na wa mananso wa osan to aso say Deputy Attorney General Justice Serim has said that the US visa of former Finance Minister Ofori Atta was revoked in June 2025, contrary to the report that the visa had expired. He says this is the authentic information the AG's office received. ICE will not come for you unless you have visa issues. That is what has happened, he said on the key points on TV3. So, according to Deputy Attorney General, as I said earlier on, ICE fall sorry nyambe shishawo unless visa issues. So visa issues for that one is a must say they go and look for you. For that one, a must say, and that is what ICE for year. Ne visa ni ya revoke since June. America system no mu yesi nipa we ya revoke ni visa oda so ti I mean what ya illegally. Ya nhwehwe na kira kwan. So ne esi ya no. In June 2025, his visa was revoked. It is not an expiration of the visa. The information we have is that his visa was revoked. So he has been living in America without visa. So you see all this while, na ye Ofori Atta mbra Ghana, ye Ofori Atta wa Ghana, na Ken Ofori Atta to America without visa na ya revoke no. Until June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. For 7 months, getting to a year, Ken Ofori Atta na America illegally for 7 months. Only visa ya revoke no otiho. The United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE has detained the former finance minister, the former minister for finance, Mr. Ken Ofori Atta, regarding the status of his current stay in the United States. We and Sambia, Deputy Attorney General, Kotana TV3, so now I there. Okay. T. This is contained in a public notice issued by his lawyers, Menka Premu, Osebunsu, Bruce Catlin and partners on 7 January. The notice said the U.S. legal team is in contact with ICE and expects the matter to be resolved. They now issued see, I brought you full details on this issue. I'm not Ken Ofori Atta lawyers are more Ghana. Asemo mo kan say they are talking with ICE, U.S. Customs and Immigration Forum. Senebeya omit my day after solving issue no. But the most dangerous part of this is Ken Ofori Atta lawyers or more Ghana in the documents no more release each day on social media no. On one day anywhere say Ken Ofori Atta visa was revoked. You see? Anganye Deputy Attorney General Angahano one omudi asiye. According to Ken Ofori Atta lawyers ewa Ghana ha, asemo mo kan say based on immigration issues. They are questioning his stay in America. But that key word now you see a revoke the visa no omanchre because when him say womudi that statement bad document no mo can say oh you revoke Ken Ofori Atta visa. They will have to explain why that visa was revoked. I hope you are getting me. Yes. They will have to explain why that visa no, it must be revoked. And I say they will have to explain the reason in that visa they revoke no. Because according to information yes visa no ebe expire 14th for February next month. And you revoke visa no so June. And Ken Ofori Atta lawyers e Ghana hanin him say ye ba bontin be kasi ya revoke visa na Ghana for be expect say ye explain the reason into ye revoke visa na. And because of that no ye gaso based on immigration status there nso na sa ya revoke visa no long time. And ya Kenya ma US for abechi no o ma abechi na wi. Until from there, no, and I feel mu working to resolve the issue expeditiously, and 10 times so. Really? Does it? Ken Ofori Atta were illegal in one country no so America no, then Africa no, one country no. Mr. Ofori Atta has a pending petition for adjustment of status, which authorizes a person to stay in the U.S. legally past the period of validity of their visa under U.S. law. A change of status by this method is common, the lawyers explained. Mubeka said, the last time I remember this issue once and I'm reading the document from Ken Ofori Atta and the lawyers. I said, Ken Ofori Atta, the lawyers and say, will apply a permanent stay in America. Green card. Our here green card, giddy. And rather than information for fraud, you say, Ken Ofori Atta and Babe Mabinso file say, Omrambe, or the Babe Mako Jinama file man, so may U.S. citizen. So let's be honest with ourselves. Which of these shows that Ken Ofori Atta will come to Ghana? Near me boss which we a dear nature Ofori Atta beba Ghana. Say Ofori Atta say I want to volunteer and bring myself to Ghana. And see, and help cry. Ofori Atta am fan and seek Africa sasu we. I'm telling you. The public is therefore advised to note that Mr. Ofori Atta, as a law-abiding person, is fully cooperating with us to have this issue resolved. They said Mr. Ofori Atta is wanted by the Attorney General and the Office of the Special Prosecutor for offences related to the SML deal, the National Cathedral Project, etc. And in a you know, Ofori Atta yenyano for the SML deal, corruption because Omrambe answer questions from there. National Cathedral so project no or he was the finance minister then. Yenyano say Omrambe answer questions and one sem and all can Fantini and one sem. He is currently in the US seeking medical care for a long-standing illness. Him say MVP what power in Accra na Ofori Atta yare. We all know. Although his lawyers have promised to ensure his return to Ghana, recent developments indicate that the former Minister of Finance may not return to the jurisdiction. And yes, Ofori Atta US gidi a long-standing illness. Yare no enye ndene china ya na ebeko. Just say ya man time de bia that's Ubeba hospital ni ade. Na according to Deputy Attorney General, no, was the lawyers are share was Ofori Atta beba Ghana. But information in here yet to say Ofori Atta fan na in Ghana. It's a fact say a bind way by ye be when to me to bring Ofori Atta to Ghana. It will make sense. But sadly na yesi Ofori Atta de no humbe bano. Let's forget about that one. A bogus, he will not do it. Imagine say, and you are in the shoes of Ofori Atta, you will come. Imagine that you are Ofori Atta, you will come. It is two things never to make Ofori Atta about Ghana, either deportation or a bind by serious so the never. That's it. Now, case na I come one time, it no be small case. This Ofori Atta issue no be small case. And see, this is coming from Deputy Attorney General. We update now all my case no. We are just messengers and we are here to send a message across. Maybe they came fantastic. You can pass your comment. Thank you.